Are you wondering why you should start branding yourself even if you don't have results? Will people take you seriously if you are branding yourself and you never had success before? In this video, I'm going to talk about why it's important to start branding yourself even if you have never had success before, and I'm going to do that right now. Hey there, what is going on? Sifiso Mhlongo here in Njomaneka Mgapi, and welcome to another quick tip video. If you want to learn how to grow your network marketing business or anything else that's related to network marketing, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And if you are on mobile, you can use the link on the video description below to subscribe. You know, most network marketers feel that they have to get results before anyone will take them seriously. You know, some people think that way because the people that they see branding themselves are already successful. Maybe you feel that you need to have success first because your upline says you should. Well, the truth is that no one really cares about your past results or your current results. All they care about is one thing and one thing only. How are you going to help them now? Think about this for a moment. If I told you that I made 1 million rands in network marketing and I recruited thousands of people, would that information help you? If I told you that I'm broke, I'm on government's grant and I live on ShopRite's food stamps, how would that information help you? It wouldn't help you at all. Now, what if I shared something that would help you get results in your business? Like how to get leads or how to handle the money objections? Would that help you? Of course it would. Now, I'm not saying that if you have great results, you shouldn't use them. But your results shouldn't be your focus when you are branding yourself. Your focus should be to help people by teaching them how to solve their problems. If you are in a bad situation right now, you should still be branding yourself. You can train your target market on how to overcome the same situation if they are in it. If you talk about how broke you are and have no money even though you are giving good advice, some people won't listen to you because it's not attractive. So now you know that you don't need to have any formal results to brand yourself. Now let's talk about how to do it. If you are a serious network marketer who takes your business seriously, that means you are investing in training and education to help you get results. You can take the same information that you are learning and start teaching it to people in your target market. If you focus on providing value and teaching consistently, you'll soon be viewed as an authority even if you have never had results before. People will start to ask for your advice or your recommendations on what products to buy or what business to join. Everybody won't do that, but a lot of people will. And then you'll start to recruit and sell your products with ease. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. And remember to subscribe to my channel so that you can get notified when a new video is published. And I will see you on the next one. Cheers.